Let's show you Isaac making its way into the Caribbean, still not getting a lot stronger. You remember a couple of days ago we were saying that by Thursday this could become a Category 1 hurricane. Well, that hasn't come to fruition, possibly because of some of that drier air that's mixing in. It is getting just a little stronger with those winds now at 45 miles per hour. Two big questions over the next couple of days. How close is it going to get to the island of Hispaniola? According to the latest forecast track, it should be off the coast of Haiti later tomorrow. Could even be a borderline Category 1 hurricane at this point. But then it has the land to deal with the island of Hispaniola. It also has the land to deal with right here over Cuba. There's a lot of mountainous terrain here too. So if it stays over Cuba, it may get less and less organized. There's also some thinking that it may stay a little bit farther to the south of Cuba. That's one thing that we're going to be looking at over the next couple of days. You know, this is really a simple storm. It really is. We've got one more day to really watch it and continue to look at that cone of probability. If this is going to be a storm that affects southwest Florida, as the latest forecast track says it might, we still have Saturday and almost all day Sunday to complete that hurricane plan. By Sunday night, the winds will start to pick up, and Monday looks to be our bad weather day as you go ahead and take a look at the timing on that cone. According to the official forecast track from the National Hurricane Center, by Monday, we could have a hurricane out in the Gulf of Mexico, most likely a Category 1, but once this system gets over Cuba, gets here into the Florida Straits and the Gulf of Mexico, there is a lot of warm water, and that's the thing that the National Hurricane Center is very concerned about. You may notice something here with the spaghetti plots. Yesterday, most of them took it over the Florida Peninsula. Now, a lot of them taking it a little farther out into the Gulf of Mexico. It'll be interesting to see if that trend continues over the next 12 to 24 hours. This is our big concern. What happens is this system gets into the Straits and into the Gulf of Mexico, where we have waters anywhere from 86 to 90 degrees. That's why we have to take this one very seriously. As of right now, just be prepared for some bad weather on Monday. How bad? Well, that's still yet to be determined. I think we're just going to ride this storm out on Monday, and there is still that possibility that the cone may be shifted a little farther away from southwest Florida over the next day. Behind Isaac, we have Joyce, and I just want to mention that Joyce isn't going to be any sort of a factor for southwest Florida, but Joyce is still out there. All right.